On this episode of Narrow Path Adventures,
Oh,
Aaron sees a bird, falls down,
ouch,
and of course, loses a fish.
Oh, he got off.
Walking down the narrow path tonight, heartbeat pounding under God's light. Every mile we go, we feel the drive. Jesus by our side keeps us alive. Trail is calling, thunder in our stride. We conquer every climb. Winds are roaring, lifting up our cries. Freedom found under those open skies.
Oh, come on, Chris. Whoa!
Narrow path adventures.
I was trying to find a trail to my hike-in campsite, and I ended up on this road. It is not meant for trucks. It is not meant for vehicles besides ATVs.
This is a nice truck, and it's not. It can go over stuff, but I'm not so sure if it rains like crazy if I can get back up here. I don't know what you're seeing, but it's very steep and gnarly. Cheers. Check out this little bridge. It doesn't say not to drive over it. I'm pretty scared. It's a one-car bridge. Little tiny river on each side. Holy crap, man. Really challenging my truck today. Coming up. I got four-wheel drive on. Alright, well, I don't think I'm taking this way again. Let's get up here before it cuts off. Okay. Turns out that bridge was 5 tons. Completely fine going on it. So I never found the trail to get back to the campsite. I'm on a road that is meant for four-wheelers. I'm just trying to get back to civilization. I've been on this road for about 40 minutes now. There's been some pretty sketchy stuff so far. I finally found this road, which led me to the highway, which led me back to do it all over again. And right before that hill, there was a turnoff behind a tree leading to my campsite. It was ridiculous. Welcome to Narrow Path Adventures. We're going on an adventure today. We are at the Menominee River Natural Resources area. We are going to stay here, which is the Menominee and the Pimabonwin River right there. We got about a mile hike. I have been looking for this parking lot for about 2 hours now. Finally found it, thanks to an ATV guy. Helped me out. I never even got his name. I very much appreciate it if you ever watch this video. But we got a bunch of gear. Got a cart. I don't think it's going to fit in there. So we might have to take 2 trips. So it's going to be a long walk. But stay tuned for the adventure. Look at that cart. Hope I'm not losing anything. Hills stink. Ugh. Break after that hill. Holy crap. Wow. Holy crap. See that hill? I still got half of it left. We're getting close. This has been a nightmare. And I don't believe them when they say 1 mile. I've been going pretty fast. I've been doing this a long time. I get heat stroke if I'm not careful.
It's still not there. What the heck? Where is this place? Where the heck is this place? The wheel came off. What a piece of junk. I grab a few things. Oh my gosh. I got here, finally. Here's the site. There's a bathroom back there, that rocks. Little path to the bathroom. But yeah, look at that. I bet you there's some fish in here. Oh, there's my cart. Jeepers. Ridiculous. What goes along with facing your fears? Perseverance. I wanted to quit about 20 minutes ago. You just keep going. Maybe we'll have a rewarding time. Even if we don't, at least we can say we got there. Now the back wheel of that cart isn't working right. So I'm gonna have to try and fix that or drag it all the way here. I just wanted to go fishing. It's heavy. I gotta get the cart. Cart won't move now. That's what I get for buying Chinese garbage off of Amazon. The two most important things, Philip: toilet paper and a gun. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm here. I'm gonna go de-stress by trying to catch a fish real quick. It's an animal right here. Hey! Okay, this sucks. This is, it's all wheat. All of it is wheat. I've also been stung about 8 times by stinging nettles, which hurt like crazy. Nice walkway, huh? Wow. If I don't break my neck. Wow, you're supposed to get out there, huh? With the canoe. Alright, got one. Oh, I lost him. Oh, man. Well, nothing there. I think I need to change out my lure. Alright, before anything else happens, it's time to set up the tent. I am soaked in sweat. I always gotta pick the days where it's high 80s, 90s to do anything. Alright, we're going to try the spin rocket. It's top water. We're going to try the new northern pole that I just built. Take off these socks.
I'm gonna wade in just a little bit. Oh, nice fish. Oh, that was an awesome hit. That's what we came here for. That's what we came here for. This is a good one, too. Woohoo, baby! Oh, he got off! Oh, no! That guy was supper. I guess he was good. He was a good 16 to 18. Oh, jeepers cripes. You stupid jerk. Oh, what was I talking about? Fear. It's getting dark. Oh, there goes a $10 lure. Oh my gosh. What an unfortunate series of events there. Oh, wow. Leaves are burning now. Gotta be careful, there's bears here. So I gotta hide the food up in a tree somehow. First I'm gonna have a couple of casing wieners, because they're delicious. Pretty good. Garlic and something. Ouch. Ooh, I just burnt myself. I hate to hear with this fork. Ouch. Not looking forward to when the sun goes down. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, it looks really light outside. It's not that light, it's pretty dark. This thing has light enhancing stuff. An hour later, and we have fire. Love it. Hopefully it burns. I don't need it to burn long, just till I go to sleep. Here's to you, fire. Nature kind of gives me the creeps. If I'm being totally honest. In this particular spot, there is bear, for sure. Wolves, for sure. We heard them last time we were here. Coyotes, for sure. And I think there are cougars here. Well, mountain lions. They don't usually bother anyone. I'm going to try and get a good night's sleep, but there ain't no guarantees. I'm going to have to say some prayers, read my Bible, get my gun out, put it under my pillow, and hope and pray that the animals stay away. What really sucks is I lost that big smallmouth. The thing was at least 16, but I think it was 18. Pretty much guarantee it was 18. Flopped out of the water, gone. I put my food over there out in the trees. Hopefully the raccoons don't get it and the bears don't get it. The fire looks good. Oh, it'd be nice if someone was out here with me. It's scary. I touched a coal. That hurt. Cut myself. I have no idea how. I burned my lip on my fork because the fork was really hot. And I just poured hot wax from my citronella candle that's in my tent onto my hand. Aaron's coming up clutch. So, for the Bible in a year, I'm reading through Jeremiah right now. Man, that guy just... his whole life was God and telling telling the Jews that they were doing everything wrong and that Babylon was going to come and take them over if they didn't start listening and start doing what was right. So they would beat him, threaten to kill him. He'd stand outside God's temple, just get like beat up and ridiculed, and everyone hated him. As Christians, we when someone says something that about our faith, we kind of cower usually. So I think as Christians we need to stand up a little bit, push back. You don't have to be too crazy about it or whatever, but we are right as far as it comes to God. And just like what the channel's about is, everyone thinks they're going to heaven, but are they? If you don't put your faith in Jesus, you're not going to heaven. Doesn't matter if you're a good person. There's no such thing. We all fall short of God's perfection, and that is the standard to get to heaven, and the only way to get through is through Jesus. Believing in Him. If you don't believe in Him, you don't put your faith in Him, you ain't going. And that's the bottom line. I hope everyone watching this listens to this, because it's serious. Just wanted to talk about that. If you have any questions on that, please put them in the comments, and I will try my best to answer them. I'm going to go to bed pretty soon. Probably sit in my tent for a while. Read my Bible some more. That'll be that. I will see you in the morning. Good morning. That was a terrible night. Got sick in the middle of the night. That lasted quite a few hours. I heard very loud, like, breathing. I didn't hear any crashes or anything, but I heard very loud breathing, so I wonder if the bear was over there. That was a long night. 5:45 in the morning. I'm very tired, but I am going to try and catch some fish right away. It's the best time to do it, right when the sun rises. Oh. I finally got a fish. It's a little one, but it's a fish. Ah, come on now. Oh, 0 for 3 on the... What the heck is going on? Well, camping is done for this spot. It's very difficult to access. I would bring ATVs aren't allowed down here, so maybe a electric bike would work. But you're supposed to kayak in. But how are you gonna get your stuff up here? It's like a 6-foot drop down there. Plus this. I mean, it's possible, but you kind of need 2 people. There is a bathroom back there. I mean, the site is fine. It's just the access sucks. And then the fishing sucks here because it's all weeds and it's not very deep. So I'm taking off, and I gotta pull this 100-pound cart and that 60-pound backpack and those 4 rods down the mile-plus trail again. So wish me luck. Hopefully I don't pass out on the way. Yesterday, this is where I thought I was almost done. Boy, was I wrong. Now I got an uphill battle here. I'm already tired. Oh, check out this hill. Oh, this is gonna stink. Can I just teleport? Second hill. It's probably like the fifth. Accomplished. Now you gotta go down. And I think there's another long slope. Look at this hill. Oh my goodness gracious. Once I get up this, I got another one. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, another giant hill. I don't know what to do. Gotta keep on keeping on. Like Joe Dirt.
That's not an option. You got to keep on keeping on.
Come on, baby. You can do it. That bag is heavy. Well, I could have used that last night. That's my pillow. All right, found my pillow. And what do we have? The gate. Oh my goodness. Whew. I am never doing that again. That was not worth it. Come on, just a little bit further. There we go. I am covered in sweat, if you can't tell. I am shaking. I'm so tired. But I'm back at the truck. I just got the dreaded Chinese cart. The Sio, better known as Sakyo. Let's see what other trouble we can get into. Never again, Pamabamamamwan. Yeah, like I said, this is the crappiest camping I've had. Bad fishing. Too many weeds, bugs, ticks, scariness. I got sick a little bit from those hot dogs. I was up all night. I am happy to leave this place. Alright, back on the main drag here. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, we're back at Quiver Falls. This water feels so nice. That's steep. Oh, it's steeper than the last time I was here. Especially with a 60-pound sack on my back. Ouch. Exactly what I thought was gonna happen. Ouch. Ooh, that thing is sharp. What kind of print is this? I really can't see it.
Walking down the narrow path,
to it. But what is this?
sunlight dancing on the forest floor.
This trip was about facing my fears of the outdoors and being alone in the dark. Joshua 1:9 says, "Have I not commanded you, be strong and courageous, do not be frightened, and do not be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go." Remember that the next time that you're by yourself and scared. See you next time.
Narrow path adventure.